Welcome back for the final lecture on threads. We have covered the three main thread-safe queue types. Now, let us summarize them in a handy comparison table to help you choose the right tool for your specific concurrency needs. One, Queue Comparison Table. This table summarizes the key characteristics of the three queue types. The standard queue uses FIFO, where the item that went in first is the item that comes out first, ideal for processing tasks in order. The LIFO queue uses LIFO, which retrieves the newest item first. Finally, the priority queue retrieves items based on the priority value assigned to them, with the lowest number signifying the highest priority. Two, Conclusion Threading. Congratulations! You have completed the section on threads. We started with the basics of thread creation, understood the critical need for synchronization using locks and semaphores to protect shared data, and finally mastered communication using the wait and notify pattern and the highly effective thread-safe queues. These are the fundamental tools for building robust, high-performance concurrent applications in Python. Looking ahead, networking. Now that we know how to run tasks concurrently, we will move to our next major topic, networking. We will learn how to make our programs communicate with the outside world, covering everything from simple HTTP requests to building our own custom network servers using sockets. This opens up entirely new possibilities for your applications. We will begin section 27 by exploring the basics of retrieving data from the internet, starting with downloading a simple HTML page. Join me in lecture 27.01, Introduction. See you there.